Hello children, very good morning. Welcome to Hindi class. How are you all? All of it are fine? Okay. So children, in the yesterday's class, what we wrote in Hindi? Letter E and letter E. Capital, small letter E and big letter E we wrote, no? In Hindi. Is it? Yes. E से इमली, E से ईख. Is it? Yes. A say what? A say anar. A say aam. E say imali. E say eek. Yes. Once again read. A say anar. A say aam. E say imali. E say eek. Yes, very good. So in the yesterday's class we wrote the writing E say imali and E say eek. Is it? Yes. So I had given the homework also. So everyone done it? Okay, very good. So children, in the today's class we are going to write letter U and U. Small letter U and big letter U. We'll write it in 3-line notebook, Hindi. Okay? So everyone take out your 3-line Hindi notebook. Take out your pencil and eraser and write CW, class work. U say Ullu. U say Ullu. Ullu means what, children? Owl. Is it? Yes. So here how you will wrote no a letter, no, like that you have to write it. So you have to tell the 3-line and you have to write it like a 3 number. Okay. U. U say Ullu. U say Ullu. U say Ullu. U say Ullu. So like this you have to say and you have to write it. Okay. U say Ullu. 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 Okay, so like this you have to say U say Ullu and you have to write the U letter. Okay children? Yes. So next write CW. U say oon. U say oon. Big letter U. U. U say oon. Oon means what? Woolen. Okay, wool. Cotton, thread. Okay, yes. U say oon. So here also children, how you wrote a small letter uno. So like that you have to write it. But here you have to write like this. Okay, see. U say oon. U say oon. So like this you have to write it and you have to say it. U say oon. 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 Okay, like this you have to write it. You have to say the u say oon and you have to write it. Okay? Yes. U say oon. You have to touch the three line and you have to write it. U say oon. 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 Okay? So like this you have to say it. U say oon. U say ullu and you have to write it in 3-line notebook. Understood? Yes. So today which letter you wrote? U say ullu. U say oon. Is it? Yes. So you also children, how I read, no? So like that only you have to read it and you have to write it. Understood? Yes. So once again we'll read all the letters. A say anar. A say am. E say imali. E say eek. U say ullu. U say oon. Okay? Yes. So today's class we wrote and we studied U letter, U say ullu and U say oon. Is it? Yes. So homework is what? Today's classwork what you wrote? U say ullu and U say oon, no? So that you have to write in the homework page. Okay? U say ullu and U say oon. So full one page you have to write it and neatly write, children. Understood? You have to read it and neatly you have to write it. You have to see the lines. You have to touch the 3 lines and you have to write it neatly. Understood? Yes. So everyone do the homework and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.